Alright guys, so in this video I want to kind of go over how to actually hit your goals, because a lot of people don't even set goals, let alone achieve them. So let's get right into this. Now the first thing I would recommend you do is, first off, set SMART goals, because if you're not even setting SMART goals, then yeah, no wonder you're not hitting your goals. These are like half-ass attempts at setting goals. SMART goals is an acronym, and it's also kind of like a framework for setting and achieving effective goals. And it stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. So I'm going to go over that in a second. But before that, I want to go over something that could be even more important. Making sure you set goals for the long term, and then you want to break those down into quarterly goals. So every 3 months is a quarter. There's 4 quarters in a year. And if you set them that way, then it is much more like kind of bite-sized chunk. You can go further and set it from yearly goals to monthly goals, and even down to like weekly goals. So you can see how much improvement you continually make. You can even like break them down from like yearly goals or like 5+ year goals into like literally daily. So that way it's kind of more like bite-sized chunks and not just the entire massive thing. And you're like, oh, okay, I missed that goal. Well, yeah, no wonder you missed that goal. You haven't been reviewing it every so often to see if you're actually going to hit it, and adjust your actions taken towards that goal. So I have actually made a Notion template. That way you guys can hit your goals so much more effectively. It's called Quarterly Goals, and I'll leave the link. It'll be the first link below, and you can go check it out. It is very easy to track your goals, and anyway, go check it out. But next thing I want to go over is SMART goals. So like I said earlier, they are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. So specific, because if they're not specific, then it's like, well, what do you even want to get done? Because example of a non-specific goal would be like, I want to lose weight. Okay, how much weight do you want to lose? I want to lose 5 pounds. Okay, that's better. But it's still, and that is a measurable goal, right? So we'll go from that, measurable. If it's not measurable, then you can't track your progress, because if you see the progress that you're making, it gives you motivation to keep doing that good action and getting even more close to that goal. Achievable, and this is like one of the most important things. If it's not achievable, then you're going to be like, you're unconsciously going to not even try for this goal. So that way when the year's over, you can be like, oh, I didn't even try. That gives you the excuse. Relevant. If it's just like something completely unrelated to what you want to do, then why are you even doing it? Like, for example, I don't know, don't ask me why, this is like kind of stupid, but last year I think it was last year, I wanted to just start learning Russian, and I asked myself, wait, why am I learning Russian? This is like not something I'm going to use within the next like 2 or 3 years. Why am I learning Russian? So, I just kind of quit that. Because sure, it would have been cool to know Russian and just be able to speak Russian, but like, there's no Russian people. I live in freaking Canada. And this last thing is time bound. So if it's not time bound, you don't set an end date for your goal, then you're not going to see the urgency, and you're not going to be able to tell how much action you actually need to put in the time frame. And that is SMART goals and quarterly goals. Go check out the Notion template, links below. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.